Hello, guys. Welcome back to Scot Tech for You, your go-to place for tech that actually makes sense. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you know if your password has already been leaked online? I'm serious. There's a massive chance that one of your old passwords, maybe from Facebook, Instagram, or even Gmail, is already floating around somewhere on the internet. And if hackers get hold of it, it's game over. So today, I'm going to show you how to check if your password has been leaked, how these hackers actually steal our data, and how to protect yourself in just a few minutes. Let's jump into it. So recently, some security researchers found something really scary. They discovered over 16 billion usernames and passwords being shared across the dark web. 16 billion with a B. And here's the crazy part. A lot of these passwords are from platforms we all use, like Google, Apple, Instagram, Facebook, Netflix, and even banking apps. Now, yeah, not every single one is fresh. Some are old, some are duplicates. But guess what? It only takes one working password to ruin your entire digital life. So let's talk about how hackers steal your passwords and how you can beat them. 1. Phishing, the fake link trap. Hackers send fake emails or messages pretending to be from Instagram, Gmail, or even your bank. You click the link, enter your login, and boom, they've got it. Tip: never trust links in random messages or emails. Always go directly to the website yourself. 2. Password reuse, your biggest mistake. Let's say you use the same password for Facebook and Gmail. If one of them gets hacked, the other is automatically at risk. Tip: never use the same password for more than one account. Seriously, it's not worth it. 3. Weak passwords, 123456, isn't clever. People still use passwords like 123456 password or admin123. Come on, guys, we can do better. Tip: use a strong random password that's hard to guess. Use at least 12 characters with numbers, symbols, uppercase and lowercase letters. 4. Brute force, the robot attack. Hackers use powerful software that can try thousands of passwords every second. If yours is short or predictable, they'll crack it in seconds. Tip: make your password long and weird, something like S-Dika, not your pet's name. There's a free website you can use. Go to HaveIBeenPwned.com. Don't worry, it's legit and safe. Just enter your email, and it'll tell you if your info has been found in any data leaks. If your email shows up, change that password immediately. And change it on every other site where you used it to. I know, remembering 20 different passwords sounds like torture, but don't worry. There's a better way. Use a password manager. Apps like 1Password, Bitwarden, or NordPass generate and save strong passwords for every site, and you only need to remember one master password. So, here's your mission after watching this video. Check your email on HaveIBeenPwned.com. Change your weak or repeated passwords. Start using a password manager. You'll thank me later. And remember, in 2025, cybersecurity isn't optional, it's survival. If this helped you, drop a like, share it with someone who reuses their birthday as a password. We all know one. And of course, subscribe to Scot Tech for You for more simple and smart tech tips. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.